Sweetly Sings the Donkey, take two. I messed up the first time. Here it goes. Well, I'll play it. It's a really cool one. I like it a lot. We'll play it and then I'll talk about it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so here's the thing with this one. They introduced a new concept called key signature. If you look up on the top of the page and read what it says, right? Key signatures change certain notes throughout a piece of music. This key signature means play all B's as B flats and all E's as E flats. And they probably really should have underlined the word all, because you notice the flat signs, if you know your treble clef notes, right? The leftmost flat is on the third line up, every good boy. Okay, the little stomach of the flat that sticks out, that's on the third line. So that makes all B's into B flats. And then this one that's a little bit to the right, okay, you go F, A, C, E. So that flat is in the E space. Now, the key word is all. So if you look at Sweetly Sings the Donkey, if you look at the first note, you notice that's a B, but there's no flat sign with it like there was in line 36, okay? So what they're doing is they're giving it to you in the key signature, and it saves them the trouble of having to write it all the time. So throughout this piece of music, anytime you see a B, it's going to be a B flat. And anytime you see an E, it's going to be an E flat. All right, the first E flat comes in the fifth measure. Okay, now, do you remember how I had you do the process of learning it, going 2 measures at a time on the previous songs? So what I'd like you to do on this one is the same idea. So you're going to look at the first 2 measures and play them on one note. How about we do it on a D, all right, just for fun, all right? And I'm going to start with my left mallet this time, and I'm just going to alternate. All right, here goes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Oops, I messed up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, practice that enough times till you get it. Notice how I messed up at first, but then I tried it again. Okay, once you get that, then you want to be able to say the names of your notes. All right, so let's look at them. By the way, if you don't know, that was funny. The little ball came off at the end of my mallet. Oh no. Okay, so if you look at those notes now, if you don't know them, please pause, and I want you to look back because you want to be able to say them. I don't want to give you the answer. Okay, so hopefully you figured out that it's B flat, A, B flat, C, D, D, right? And so then you have your mallets ready. I'm going to put my right mallet over the B flat and have my left mallet over the A, right? All right, and now let's say it and fake play it, right? B flat, A, oopsie, B flat, C, D, D. I meant to fake play, but I actually hit the bar. Oops. All right, next step. Now you do that enough times so you can kind of do that, all right? I'm just doing it fast now so that you're not watching this video forever while I do it 10,000 times. Do it as many times as you need to get it to work, right? Usually 3 times, 4 times, something like that. All right, now, then what you're going to do is count it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then you're going to play it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then proceed through the song and work out the rest of the notes, and you got it. All right, have fun. It's a great song.